This is going to be 2 days of competition which start from today onwards.
Procrastination.
Don't take a decision from your motivation.
If I want something, I just try to achieve it.
If you are not able to do this and you know, but you are wasting your time.
Importance of good politics. We all know good politics is nowhere in the world. But this should exist to have the country better. In all over the world, every country is dominating each other. But they are not thinking about our earth and having good earth for the future. They just need a dominance from other countries. For that, they are improving in their government, politics, or all the things. But politics would never improve. Importance of good politics is there because a country is developing. A country is developed, it is just because of the good politics. If politics is good, so country will automatically develop by the GDP and all the things. Because in the good politics, every individual will help the country to develop. In this, each and every aspect comes of a country. The good politics, it should exist in each country to help the other countries. In the good politics, the every member would not think about the corruption and all those things by which country position or the other things goes down, which can be improved by this having a good politics. Thank you.
Thank you so much. So your topic is importance of good politics. Guys, importance of good politics. And your time starts now.
We know about the current situation of our country. We do not have a good government and we are lacking in the good politics. In our country, the government, they are blaming each other about the irresponsibilities. If we talk about BJP, if we talk about Aam Aadmi Party, if we talk about Congress, they are just blaming each other. But if we know about the good politics, then we can develop the country. The good politics can result in the development of a country. If we talk about economic sector, it can grow a lot. If we talk about the gross domestic product of a country, it is not much. If we talk about the economic, it is the 5th largest economic country, but still it is lacking in various places because we do not have good schemes for the country. If we have the good schemes for the people who are poor, if we have good schemes for them, if we have good schemes for unemployment, so we can improve a lot in these sectors. So the good politics can result into the formation of a good country. If we talk about the America, if we talk about Russia, if we talk about other countries, they are becoming developed because they have the good system, good political system. So political system of a country should be good for development. That's it.
Yeah, please, Geeta Bhabhi and Nitin, guys. And your time starts now.
In our society, we say a student should not play games. A student should not play any type of video games because it's against rules of a student. It's against a smart student who can improve himself in a path where he can grow and grow others. But is it right? Is it a right decision of the society or that person to not to grow in a different way? I take my example. I am an engineer. I'm an engineering student doing my engineering in a very well-reputed college, but still I love to play games because I love to live a life where there is no rule for me and I love to break the rules that is not meant to be broken. I love to do the things that are against my studies because I know I can do the studies even if I've played some games and wasted my entire day playing games because I know that I love it, I can improve it, I can see a future in it and I know that it is the right thing for this time. Study is also important, but games and other stuffs are too for a person to enjoy his life and his world according to himself. So rules are meant to be broken in a way that doesn't affect you, but in a way that makes you happier. Thank you.
Thank you so much. You guys clap for Geeta Bhabhi. Geeta Bhabhi, your topic is rules are meant to be broken.
People make rules for themselves. and government make rules for us. But still, we believe to break the rules. And it's fun. I feel breaking the rules is a great fun because we know our capability how we can break the rule. And when we are able to break the rules, we can achieve whatever we want to achieve in our life. People say you should be civilized, you should be socialized. But I would say you should be more into breaking the rules. Because once you start breaking the rules, you can break your limitations. People set boundaries for you. That here is your boundaries and you should not cross these boundaries. Why? We are humans, we have brains, we have our ideology, we have our thoughts, and we should break them. We should break people's thoughts. We should tell them we are here to break the rule, we are here to achieve whatever we want to achieve, we are here to get fame in our life, we are here to get money in our life, we are here to have people in our life. People get influenced by you when you are ready to, break the rules. You're ready to go out from your way to help people. You are ready to add values into people's life. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Ashu, Kana, guys, both of you are going to stand up. Who would like to come here first? Kana, okay. Okay, Kana, your topic is laziness is a sign of intelligence.
Laziness. We think this is negative. Laziness word is negative. Of course not. Why? Because laziness can make you intelligent. Have you ever heard about Einstein, Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla? These people used to be extremely lazy. They used their brain for some work and they used to take a nap. Why? Because they used to think about more important things rather than doing hard work. They used to think about smart work. People who do smart work are way more lazier than people who do hard work. But smart work, those people are doing smart work, they are more efficient rather than hardworking people. This is the reason why laziness is not bad at all. If you are being lazy, it is good. Why? Because your brain functions clearly. It knows that when to use your brain and it knows when not to. While doing any work, your brain works fast. Why? Because we are programmed to do like this. But intelligent people do these things in a categorized way. If they are doing a math question, if it is easy, they'll use less of their brain. They would be lazy to do that. There are some children who feel lazy showing the steps well in math classes just because they are lazy and they know they are intelligent. They can do so. That is why laziness does not mean that it is always negative. It means that you are more intelligent rather than other people. It is the same as you are using a machine. If you make it work harder, it will work slower.
Okay,
Thank you,
that's
guys.
it. Thank you so much. Can you call Ashu?
He knows each and everything briefly. He knows when he has to play, when he has to fight against of their opponents. And he knows each and everything. He will be a good in terms of the knowledge. He will be a good in terms of each and everything, which can help him to boost their confidence in front of the people. We have seen a people, those who are lollygag. But the main thing is all about that they are not able to justify, they will not be able to understand that what he is thinking or not. Just because of his contemplation, he can kill the people, he can kill the thousands of people in front of them. Intelligence, it's mean that a laziness person. We have seen a greatest example in our life that I am one of them who is totally a lollygag person, who is fully lazy. But I know what I have to do in my life. I know what I can do with all of them. Nobody can do better than me what I can do in my life. Because the reason is quite simple, that laziness means that a person who is not doing anything. But for others people, for not himself. He will always try to pretend others that I am a lazy. But he is not lazy
That's
at
it.
all.
Thank you so much.